Hey, I am so busy this weekend. It's Labor Day weekend, and labor is the main part of that because I'm going to be working my ass off. So I just had to take a minute to come out and enjoy this weather. And we had so much rain the last few days, and now the lake's coming back up. But I know it won't be there for long because they've opened up the dam. Well, I'm going to turn around here and let you see. And aren't those birds fun? There's geese. There's a couple others. And I don't know if we can see them. I can sure hear them. Let's see. I think something just bit me. Oh, the joys of nature.